can't hear your car's voice assistant, let's fix that. Alright, so let me start from the beginning. Let's choose the home, for example. To just start from the home screen, select menu, the second button from the left side, choose setup, and as you can see here you can select the voice, and here you can make your voice louder, or you can do it in the opposite way. In my case, let me do it that way to make it as loud as possible. So for example, if your Toyota's voice prompts are too quiet or way too loud, head to this voice settings, adjust the voice volume to find your perfect balance so you can hear navigation or your system replies clearly over your music. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.